Good morning, Year 6! Today I'm going to teach you how to make this scratchable art. Okay? My name is Lilia and I will be your art teacher for the day. So let's start. Hi Year 6! So first step, we are going to start to color our blank piece of paper with the colors that you choose using the crayons. So I chose those 4 colors and then I'm gonna color everything on the background. It doesn't matter in which direction that you choose to do it, as we'll be covering in black paint. So these 4 are the 4 colors that I chose. Okay, so now that you have your paper like this, all covered in colors, you're gonna get the black acrylic paint and dish soap, and you're going to make a mixture. Whatever you choose to put of black paint, you need to put the equivalent to 1/3 of dish soap in the mixture, okay? So then you should have something like this. And we are going to cover this paper now in black paint. You now should have your fully covered piece of paper. See that you might have some color showing still. So if this happens to you, you add a second layer of the same paint, okay? Making sure you're not brushing too strong against the paper, so the color on the background is still intact. And then you put it to dry for at least 1 hour. Okay, so here's the last part. When it is dry, you're going to need your wooden stick so you can scratch it off, okay? Because our topic this term is about deep blue, I chose to do ocean theme art. Just for some inspiration. Of course, you can do anything you like and use your imagination, because I think you're going to be able to come up with things that will look much better than this, because you're an amazing class. And please comment to let me know what you thought about it, okay? Bye!